Okay, so today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the newly delivered Sky Fibre Router, which hopefully goes live today, so also be able to get this unboxed and get this connected up. So let's undo it. Okay, it's just a basic box. Okay, so in the box I have basic instructions on the lid and the Sky router, passwords, instructions, bit of paper, microfilter and phone line, power, another microfilter and Ethernet cable. Right, so let's just take the plastic protection off. So I guess just the basic Sky black fibre router. So I'll be monitoring the internet throughout the day, obviously because I'll be using it, so when I can't use it, I'll know I need to change over. So then once that happens, I'll swap the routers over and then see what speeds I get. So hopefully when I change over, I will have a significantly faster internet speed. This morning when I measured it, I got about 6.9 megabytes, which isn't fantastic. It's absolutely terrible sometimes. So hopefully once I swap over, I'll do another test and see what speeds we get with the fibre. Okay, so just a very quick look at the instructions. So, hello, contents page, yay, exciting. Get connected. So check your activation date. You'll find this on top of your Sky Hub package. Your Sky broadband will not be up and running until then, so check on top of my box. Nope. So when to set up. If you're switching from another broadband provider, on the activation date, your previous broadband service will stop. When this happens, you can start and set up your Sky Hub. Good job, I knew that already. Contents of the box: the Sky Hub, the A grey DSL cable and microfilter, black power cable, extra microfilter, instructions, setup guide, and Ethernet cable. What to do: so find your master socket, unplug, plug in, set up, connect, fit microfilters, connect your PC, Windows 8, connect your PC, Windows 7, connect your PC, XP, connect your Mac, connect with a wired setup, and extras. Any other stuff, icon guides, information to the displays on the box, any help, advanced users, and using your equipment safely. Well, that was ironic. As I just finished filming, I brought the router down, put it on the table, and I still had normal internet. Went out into the kitchen, put the rubbish away, walked back through, and it was flashing like this. So within the space of a few seconds, it was on, then it was off. So now I get to fit and install the new Sky Fibre Router, and hopefully we'll have some faster internet speeds. Okay, so I now have it set up, and this is going to be the first turning on. Let's see how long it takes and if it works. At least we have power. hopefully I now have fibre. So now I have to connect every single device we have back up to the new router. Yay, that's going to be fun and time consuming. Right, so I think the first thing I'll do is get my phone connected and check what speeds we have. Okay, so now I've just connected my phone up to the router, done a quick test, and I've got 12 megabytes download and 2.5 megabytes upload. So I'm not overly impressed at the moment, bearing in mind as they recommended it's going to be about 25 megabytes, but it's only just been set up, so we'll see how we go over the next couple of days. But at least it's now double the speed of what we were getting.